Welcome to 11810 Asbury Drive, right off of 210 and Swan Creek Road, just minutes from the water on a quiet area. This is a new home, new build, only 2 years old. This home was built in 2021, 5,500 square feet, 5 bathrooms, 5 bedrooms, a lot of fives, right? And it backs to a woods conservation area, so no homes can be built behind it, in a quiet cul-de-sac, 3-car garage. What more could you want? Take a look. All right, welcome home. Again, 5,500 square feet in this beautiful home. What I really like is the open floor plan. And as you can see, this is as soon as you come into the home, you got a sitting area. You got your family room space here. Kitchen with an island. All right, and then right off the kitchen in the family area, we've got a den, could be an office. Add a closet, it could be an additional bedroom, a main floor master. As I mentioned before, this is the bump out. The original home would have stopped here. This was a custom build. We've got extra space on all 3 levels. Outdoor area, we've got composite wood. It's like 25, 30-year warranty. All right, and one of the best parts of the house, the upstairs. Let's check it out. Tray ceilings. This model has the bump out, so you got the bump out on all three levels, bump out, and then master bathroom with the glass shower. All right, coming down into the cool basement, relaxation area. Plenty of space, as you can see. There is 1 bedroom and 1 full bath down here. Access to the backyard. Again, the rear of the home is a tree conservation area, so no homes can be built, no property can be built directly behind the home. All right, we've got, again, that bump out, that same bump out on the main level and on the upstairs. Stops right here, the original build. Without that expensive bump out would stop here. So you get this extra space here. So this is the furnace room. You know, again, everything's new. And then this entire space under the steps, it's about a 5x10 storage space here. And then this whole unfinished area here can be finished or just used for additional storage. Oh, hey, we're back, 11810 Asbury Drive, Fort Washington, Maryland, 20744. 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 5,500 square feet of living space in this brand new home, only 2 years old, in a cul-de-sac, back into the woods, right off the little trail. It's a beautiful home. Maybe it's your next home. See you next time.